Hi friends, I am Arnav. I make a police siren circuit. This circuit is a mini project for electronics. This is the circuit. First we check the component list. Here is the component list. We take one 9-volt battery and one breadboard, and we take one dual timer, that is IC556. We take total 5 resistance, that is R1 is 68 kilo ohm resistor, R2 is 1 kilo ohm resistor, R3, R4, R5 are 10 kilo ohm resistors. Then we check the capacitors. Here C1 and C3 are two capacitors, that is 100 nanofarad capacitors, and C2, C4 are polarized capacitors, that is 1 microfarad 60 volt polarized capacitor C2 is, and C4 is 10 microfarad 16 volt polarized capacitor. And we take a one piezo, that is a speaker. Let's move to the towards the circuit. This is the circuit. We take one 9-volt battery, and this is a breadboard, and we take this is a dual timer IC556. This to work of two IC55. That's why I will take this IC556. First we move towards the wiring. The positive terminal of battery is connected to the positive terminal of breadboard, and negative terminal of battery is connected to the negative terminal of breadboard. Then we do some wiring to flow power in the breadboard. This is the wiring. Then we put IC556 IC556 in 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 in that breadboard number. First we are given the power to that IC. First we connect the 14 number to pin 14 given power, and pin 7 here is a grounded. Then we connect the trigger and threshold both side. Here is the threshold A and here is the trigger A. We both are connected, upper side also and lower side also. Then we take a 16 kilo ohm resistor, connect to the threshold A. This is connected to the threshold A, and another side is connected to the other resistance. Is here is a 1 kilo ohm resistor here, and that resistance is connected to the capacitor of the resistors, and another end given to the power. Here we give power of to the capacitor and resistance here and here. Take one polarized, this one is polarized capacitor, connected to the trigger A, positive side. This is positive side trigger A, and negative side leg. This is a negative side. Is connected to the ground. Here is ground. Here we take the ground. Connected to the ground. Take 10 kilo ohm resistance. Here we take the 10 kilo ohm resistance. Connect the trigger A. And both connect the trigger A. Let's first check. Here connect the terminal trigger A and connect the side of the controller. Here we connect the control B, and this wire is connected to the control of B, and terminal to here control B. Then this wire terminal A is connected to the output of A. To discharge B, we take 10 kilo ohm resistance. Here this is the 10 kilo ohm resistance. This is connected to the discharge of B and another terminal, and in that terminal check here is the joint capacitor, and one leg of capacitor is grounded. And terminal 2 is triggered to the triggered to B. Terminal here terminal 2 is triggered to terminal trigger B. We take this another one resistors and we connect it to the discharge of B here, and at high power here at the high power. Then we take a piezo here check, this is a piezo or speaker. The negative here is the negative terminal. Here is the negative terminal. This negative terminal is connected to the ground. Check this. Here that is the wiring. Check. And positive terminal connected to the capacitor of negative part. Check here. Terminal 2, positive terminal 2 connected to the negative part, and positive part of the capacitor, polarized capacitor, is connected to the output of P. Here we check here is the output of P. The capacitor will we take a different capacitor of that one. That capacitor value is 10 microfarad and 16 volt. That two polarized capacitors are different from each other. We start simulation how it works. Let's see. When we start the source, then it's IC555 dual timer is take a of main role to do that siren. When the IC555 is very important in that circuit, IC556 sorry, main role in that circuit. Let's check another time how it's it works properly. Thank you for the listening.